Shenzhen CTECHi Technology Company Limited, an energy storage expert who has been deeply engaged in the industry for 18 years, has 3 core businesses, including industrial energy storage, consumer energy storage, and home energy storage, providing independent design, research and development, manufacturing, marketing, and technical support one-stop services for energy storage products. It has 2 production bases in Shenzhen headquarters and Hunan Industrial Park, and complete energy storage product lines. Set up a professional technical and marketing team at home and abroad. CTECHi has a perfect product production process, strict quality control, professional product testing, and multinational systematic certification system to ensure product quality. With security as the background, through technological innovation, we are determined to become the first essential energy storage products in the family in order that energy storage can truly get access to thousands of households. At present, our products have been well known at home and abroad and cover most countries and regions in the world. It is one of the core standard makers in the energy storage industry.